Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay guys, so I'm starting work early today. That is filming this video for you guys. I am going to work after this. But whoever said that YouTube isn't a real job, it is a lot of work. Honestly, filming, editing, the whole filming setup is a lot of work. So I'm technically starting work early today, but I wanted to film this video for quite a long time actually. I've gotten the stuff probably about 2 weeks ago-ish, somewhere around there, but I wanted to film my Sephora Vib sale haul. I only got a few things this time around. Don't expect like a huge haul, but there's some really good products in here and I wanted to share with you guys. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item that I got from the Vib sale, this was gonna be the only thing that I purchased, but then I realized I needed actually more things like hair products that I finished and that I needed to repurchase, and one skincare item. So I went back on Sephora, let's say after I purchased this, but this was like the main purchase. Andy paid like half of this. This was supposed to be my Christmas present, but what ended up happening was they were sold out for the longest time. They were sold out on Dyson Canada. They were also sold out on Sephora, and I was between colors. Like I wanted this color, but I wanted another color more, but they were still sold out of the other one. I wanted the fuchsia, like the whole fuchsia one, but I ended up just getting the fuchsia and iron, which is this one right here. So this is what it looks like. This is the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. And I've wanted this for so long, you guys. I always recommended this product for like what to get her for Christmas, like those types of videos on my channel. I also did one where I recommended top products on Sephora, or of like stuff you should buy during the Vib sale to get you the best deals. Those type of videos, I've always recommended this product and I've always wanted it, so I finally got it. So what's so special about this Dyson hair dryer, you guys? It is amazing. It dries your hair so fast. I feel like there's going to be less damage. My hairstylist actually uses this one. I know a couple of hairstylists that use the Dyson hair dryer, and it just, like anything you do with your hair, whether you're just drying it or you're round brushing it, any of that sort of thing, it just does an amazing job. And if you haven't tried the Dyson, I highly recommend you try it at least. Go to Sephora and see. I don't know if you can actually test these out at Sephora, but if you can, do it because they are just amazing. I haven't figured out which attachment. Yeah. I'm just super clumsy today. I'm literally dropping everything. I dropped my ring light right before I was about to film this video. I'm just dropping everything. So don't worry, there's nothing in here besides attachments. I already took the hairdryer out. I'll show you guys that in a second, but it does come with these attachments. I haven't figured out what is the best attachment for my hair yet, but it does come with all of those. And then so the hair dryer, you guys, looks like this. So this is what the iron and fuchsia one looks like. Like I said, I wanted the full fuchsia version, but it was sold out, and it's been sold out for a really long time. This does come in a couple different colors. I think they have like a Prussian blue and copper, which I didn't really like. They have the fuchsia, they have this one. I think this is like their main one that most people buy. But yeah, super cool. That's what it looks like. It's definitely an upgrade from the hairdryer that I was using. I was using like a $5 one, not even kidding you guys. I found this Conair hairdryer when I went to BC one year for $5, and I've been using it since then. I think I got that back in 2015, and I've been using it since 2015. It took forever to dry my hair. Like whenever I was using it before work to dry my hair, I would come out with like 50% dried hair or like 40% dried hair. It just took forever. So this is definitely an upgrade and I'm so happy that I got it. Highly recommend it. If you are planning to purchase this from the future VIB sales, make sure you check out around the time that the sale starts. If you're Rouge, check out around midnight when the sale starts because this sells out super fast. It's such a great deal, you guys. It's like $100 off retail. So yeah, I highly recommend getting a Dyson. Love it, changed my life. Let's move on to the next item. So the next item that I got is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask. Looks like this. And this is a sleeping mask. I use this pretty often. Actually, I stopped using it for a while and I noticed that my skin was breaking out and I needed something more. Like I think my skin just, it doesn't like it when the weather has extreme changes. So going from winter to spring, my skin breaks out. Going from summer to fall, my skin breaks out. So it is highly important that I balance out my skin so it's not too oily or too dry. And the problem is when I go from like winter to spring, my skin gets super dry and then starts breaking out. So I was trying like a clay mask, which was drying out my face even more. Like it just wasn't working for me. And I had a little bit left from like a previous sale when I got this and I started using it again. And wow, like it changed my skin. It cleared up my face. So yeah, I love this stuff. It has AHA and BHA in it, which is really good for your skin. And what I feel like it does is it kind of gets rid of any, like if you have dry skin on your face, it's basically like an exfoliator, but this isn't gonna make sense, but I feel like it like eats the dead skin that's on your face or the dry skin that's on your face. It just makes it go away. I don't know how it does that. I think this is like a chemical exfoliator technically. I use this a few times a week. It's really gentle. I'll take what I just said into like, oh my gosh, that's probably such a harsh product. It's not. It's so great for sensitive skin and just balancing out your skin. If you have oily skin, I highly recommend this product. You should go check it out. And this is the small version, you guys. This is like the small version. It lasts pretty long, to be honest, so I just ended up getting that. I've had the big size before and that big size lasts for pretty much like a whole year. This one is like 6 months, I would say, but I'm fine with just getting the small one for now. But I'm fine with just getting the small one. I can purchase it again during the next VIB sale or something like that. The next product that I got, okay, so I was sent a bunch of Bondi Boost hair care products back in September to review, and I fell in love with this, that I actually purchased it again. And this is the Bondi Boost Pink Salt Scalp Scrub. So if you guys have never used a scalp scrub before, they are amazing. Actually, they are so amazing. If you have like a greasy scalp, if you don't wash your hair every single day, you shouldn't wash your hair every single day. I normally wait like every 3 days I wash my hair, I would say. So by the end of the 3rd day, my hair, it might be like super greasy just around my scalp. My hair doesn't really get greasy like down here, but definitely around my scalp area, if I do a lot of workouts, if I'm running, if I'm, you know, being active and stuff like that, by the 3rd day, I think that this is a great product for my hair, and it just does the job. It just cleans my scalp and it just makes my hair and everything else just feel so clean. This has like a minty kind of scent, so it kind of like just invigorates your scalp and makes it feel super refreshed, especially if you do wait like a long time to wash your hair. I know some people wash their hair like once a week or something like that. This is a really great product for you if you do that, but I definitely have to wash my hair every 3 days. I don't use this on like every shampoo. I use it every other shampoo. So I'll use it like 1 to 2 times a week, depending. Usually once a week, but this is such a great product. I really love it. And if you struggle with any sort of dry scalp or anything like that, that is a great product. Okay, so next up, I was sent a couple products from Merit. Merit is also available at Sephora, but I will link these in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. I'm probably going to do like a full, not like spring makeup routine, but like a 10-minute makeup routine on my channel at some point, and I'm definitely going to use these products. Anything that I've been sent by Merit has actually worked out really well in my makeup routine. I'm wearing their mascara right now and their brow gel, so Merit is an amazing brand. So they actually launched this new lipstick. It's called the Signature Lip, and here's their little postcard that came with it. And so if you guys have never heard of Merit, they are a clean, cruelty-free, and vegan brand. So if you are into clean makeup, I just always loved clean makeup and clean skincare, try Merit out. They're really awesome. So the first product I got is the Flush Bomb Cheek Color, and this is what their packaging looks like. Okay, so the product looks like this. And what's really cool about this is you can use it on your lips, you can use it on your cheeks, and it's just a really pretty glow. So I got the color Cheeky, and it looks like this. So like I said, I'll feature this in another video. I'm sure this product is amazing because I keep hearing great things about it. So I can't wait to actually try it out. So thank you so much, Merit. I always look forward to collabing with you. So this next product that I got from them is the Signature Lip. Like I mentioned earlier, I got it in the color Millennial. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very nice and sleek, actually. I really like it. The color is this beautiful kind of neutral pink color. It looks like that. And what this is supposed to do is it's supposed to be more like a tinted lip balm versus like a traditional lipstick packed with pigment. This is more of like a sheer lipstick, so really great for spring and summer. If you guys are looking for a new lip product, definitely check this one out. So I'll leave all of their info in the down bar below if you want to check them out. So now moving back into the Sephora stuff. Like I said, Merit is available at Sephora if you guys want to check them out there. Next up is this Morphe setting spray. I actually went through a whole bottle since the other VIB sale. This actually lasted me like since November, so I decided to repurchase it. It's a very inexpensive setting mist and it was a really great deal with the sale, so I decided to repurchase it. It's really great. I love this product. I like it over the MAC Fix Plus, which I used to buy all the time, and that one is $40. This one is like, I think less than 20. Okay, so next up are some products from the MAC Spring Collection. So I got 3 products. I love that MAC is available at Sephora now. I don't go crazy with MAC collections like I used to do before. Oh my goodness, I would have so many Sephora points if MAC was available at Sephora back in like 2012, 2014, around there, because I used to shop MAC collections all the time. And so the first product that I got is the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the color Pitalik Metallic, and everything is just so pretty. Look at this packaging. So I kind of go crazy over MAC's spring collections. Like I said, I'm not huge onto MAC like I was before, but I still use their products. I still have tons of MAC products, of course, from back in the day when I used to like be obsessed with MAC. I still have tons of products, stuff that's not even open, you guys, because I just really purchased it to collect it. If I wanted a new lipstick, I could literally just shop in my collection and find one that's still in its packaging and not used. I was obsessed with MAC, but yes, I'm still obsessed with some of their collections and some of their packaging. Sorry about the glow. Like, this packaging is really reflective. It's like a chrome pink, and my ring light is just, it's just not it, okay? So this is what it looks like. Look at how beautiful this color is. It is beautiful, and honestly, highlighters like this I just buy to collect and look pretty, not really to use, but you know, I might in the future. Who knows? I don't know yet. So this next product that I got is the Glow Play Blush, and it's the same packaging as the previous one that I showed you, and this one won't come out of its packaging, you guys. It wants to live in here forever. Okay, so this is what the Glow Play Blush looks like. Actually, in all of my years using MAC products, I've never tried their Glow Play blushes. I just am not a huge cream blush person. Cream blush kind of scares me, but I want to get into it actually. Like, I've been saying this for years. I've always been like, I want to try cream blushes. But my skin is oily, so you have to know the amount of I'm scared of putting any cream or oil product on my skin that I have. I'm scared. So this one is not like a full cream product from my understanding. So this is what it looks like. This is really pretty. Like, it's a really, really pretty, almost like cherry red color. This is called HD Cherry Tree. And yeah, from my understanding is this is kind of like a hybrid type blush product. Like, it is soft and squishy, and it is a creamy blush product. It also does have a little bit of powder in there so it can stay on your skin, kind of similar to the ColourPop. You know the ColourPop blushes I'm talking about. It's kind of almost like a cream consistency, but it's not quite. So that is my understanding with this product. So it's my attempt at trying a cream blush without fully committing. So I'm very excited, and I will actually use that product in the summer. I've always wanted to wear like a cream blush or like a cheek tint for when I go hiking, so that I actually look like I'm flushed and I am not uber pale in my photos. You guys know what I mean? I just use BB cream on my face when I go hiking, just for, you know, like SPF obviously, but I want something a little bit more for my photos, you know, especially my selfies. I kind of look pale, so I'm hoping to find like a good blush tint or something like that for my skin in the summer months. So yeah, next up is the Potent Petal lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the lipstick looks like. Look at how beautiful this bullet is. And again, I'm still definitely a collector when it comes to MAC lipstick and MAC compacts. I thought this color was going to be pink, but it's not. So this is called Potent Petal, and it's a Love Me lipstick. And that is just one of MAC's formulas. It's called the Love Me finish. So this one has argan oil in it. It's very moisturizing. And that's what it looks like right there. I guess it's kind of like a cherry red versus like, kind of matches the blush actually. This is kind of more of a cherry red versus like a true red. But yeah, I was definitely expecting it to be more like a hot pink versus a red. But that's okay. I still really like it. And then last but not least, I got this from like the Sephora points. They never send me samples anymore. It's really annoying. I've been like emailing them every single order. I haven't emailed them for this order, but I literally bought the Dyson, which was like $400, and I was supposed to get samples and I never got any samples. So I ended up emailing them, and if you do that, they can give you like free Sephora points, which I mean is not a free sample, but it's still a good deal. So I have to message them again, because this I used my points on, but I didn't actually get a sample in this order. So this is the Bumble and Bumble Thermal Protection Mist, and this is what I would like to travel with in the summer. You know, whenever I go somewhere, I do need a heat mist for my hair, and I don't have anything like in this tiny packaging, so I thought this would be great for that. And then this is the Illuminated Tone Leave-In Conditioner. So I have blonde / silver hair. I have silver hair for the moment, but we all know after I wash this it's gonna be blonde. So I think this is just like a, if you have blonde hair, it's gonna just help tone it, I guess. And it's just a leave-in product. This is again really, really great for traveling. That's what I like about the Sephora samples, and that's why I like to get them, because I always get like shampoo, conditioner samples, that sort of thing, and I end up using that for traveling versus bringing like a full bottle of shampoo with me. That is pretty much it for my Sephora VIB sale video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
I let you deeper than I let anyone else before.